So the first thing you have to ask yourself, when you integrate a constant, what do you get? So it will be 4x plus 3 all over 7x. When you integrate, you get 3 all over 7 x 1 plus 1. It's just 2. I'm just going through for the one who is not getting it. Where? Because someone can ask me where is that 2 coming from?
Over.
All over 2. Then minus 6x squared minus 6x squared plus 1 all over 3 plus c. Don't forget that c. If you forget this c, you will fail terribly. So the final answer will be 4x plus 3 all over 7 x squared over 2 minus 6 x cubed all over 3 plus c.
Both sides.
So I can simplify because if it is simple, it can be simplified. You can go ahead.
3 into 6.
4x 2 into this
3 over 7x.
2 into 7 all over. What do you get?
Calculator. Mika bana usilali. You're here. Wando unajua shida iko kwenu. You're the one who know the problem that is in your home.
You are dosing in my
Ni wewe Mika. Mika. Ni wewe unajua shida iko kwenu. Ni wewe tu unajua shida iko kwenu. We're done.
minus
2x cubed.
Nipigie kwa mbao.
Plus 6.
Suu ni mode bana. Unajua ujamaa kwanza ndo kisiwa yote is the celebrity we have.
Anafunza content.
Amefikisha kisiwa to the next level. Alafu deno inafaa uanze sasa mambo na